Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
You do not own the sidewalk. The sidewalk is owned by the City of Philadelphia. If you have steps that extend onto the sidewalk, they are owned by the city. If the sidewalk in front of your house is cracked, uneven, or it has trash or snow, you are legally responsible to repair it and keep it clean.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
California. The act of putting snow or other materials on a public right-of-way is a violation of CVC 23112 and Section 724 of the California Streets and Highways Code, and is a misdemeanor. However, if anyone does shovel snow, it may not be placed in any public road, street, or walkway. Hawaii. No state law.
Take our lead.
The national average materials cost to install a concrete sidewalk is $1.79 per square foot, with a range between $1.67 to $1.91. The total price for labor and materials per square foot is $8.26, coming in between $7.47 to $9.04. A typical 300-square-foot project costs $2,476.55, with a range of $2,241.99 to $2,711.11.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
When any sidewalks or curbs are constructed, reconstructed or repaired by the Board of Supervisors under the ordinance, the expense of the construction of the sidewalks or curbs shall be paid by the abutting property owners in proportion to their frontage, but no owner shall be liable for the cost of construction of.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
In smaller cities and suburbs, particularly in residential areas, sidewalks are still public property, but maintenance and upkeep are the responsibility of the adjacent homeowners. Maintenance and repair of private sidewalks is generally the responsibility of the owner of the sidewalk.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.